have an idea. This is something I always wanted to do. I want to see what it looks like with a rainstorm at the beach. A little while ago, the sun was shining. I was getting ready to start my day and let y'all know when's the best time to come to Thailand. And now the rain's coming down, and I'm gonna show you guys what's really going on. Oh, mother. I'm all right. Come on. I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack, the Travel OG. People always ask me when's the best time to visit Thailand. Usually the best time to visit Thailand is between November and February because that's considered the cool season. But that's not what it looks like right now. You guys, the TV cover just flew off. This rain is something else, boy. When it comes down, it was just sunny a minute ago. So what I like to do when I come out here is to make sure you come at the right time for your budget. Street food in Thailand is delicious. Earlier today, I was outside showing you guys when the best time to come, and boom, you got to deal with what you got to deal with.
You remember in the counter low, have raining too much, have water in the fall?
Yeah. Did you see that over there? That used to be grass. Poor people over there, look at their cars about to go up. Nemo, it's really bad. The whole house is flooded. This is the result of last night's flood.
Now you go to Jomtien Park Villa.
Yeah.
You come here, water in the fall.
Yeah. I go from one mess to another, so now the basement is flooded. Now, it's happening here in the townhouse. See what it looks like in the other rooms, man, because that's the one thing about this place, man. The window treatment. El, where you at? Water coming in here?
You look, this water here.
Oh, it comes through there. That? Oh, yeah. But see, you can have this on the ground, baby. You can get electrocuted.
That's only
show me the
way.
noodle room. What happens in the noodle room?
Me, I'm super fly. This
got
same, you see?
Uh-huh.
All the four.
Oh, yeah.
This one, not finished here. You look, this one come inside here. And you look a lot, this one, you see water here?
Yeah.
That's one. This one here come inside here. You see water. This here, too much.
Yeah. You still got some pretty Thai toes, though. Damn. Riding your motorbike in the middle of a rainstorm is completely dangerous. But I always wondered what it would look like at the beach in the middle of a rainstorm. Something nice right there. Gotta leave my favorite Gucci slides. I guess the glue got unglued when I was in the water. So salute to the Gucci slides. I'm walking it out. So here's the thing, you guys. In Thailand, it can go from a beautiful sunny day to pouring down cats and dogs. And usually when it rains, people run inside, but not me. I had to come out here and give you guys the real deal on what it's like when it's raining in Thailand. When it rains, they just adjust. They cover up the food so it don't get wet. Everything's an adjustment. But we're used to it out here, you know what I mean? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
You are beautiful. You're welcome. See, that's the cool thing, man. You just walk right to a spot, you're on the beach, pick up some sandals for about $10. All right, so they didn't have my size, so I got to keep on. Luckily, I'm close enough to the house where I can ride back straight gorilla style. Throw that thing, girl. Throw that thing. Throw that thing like you know how to throw it. Rider. All right, guys, this is another thing I'm talking about, man. I left my bike. Look at this, man. Seat up. Just like having your damn pants down. Seat up with my little stuff in there. Key in the ignition. And nobody bothered the bike. Man, if I was in LA.
Cause most niggas get got in either LA, Compton, or what?
That lady finna do her thing. She was, I don't know if y'all saw Miss Hot Pants earlier, but she was strutting across the street doing her thing, man. There she go. Y'all see her? Look at Miss Hot Pants. She was strutting. Check her out. Doing her thing. Cop con cop. Patty cop. Hey. Oh. Swati cop. Big boss Swati cop. Swati cop. Hey. And they do this with smiles on their faces. Can't make this up. You can show your appreciation for the work I'm putting in for you guys by joining the Patreon. Memberships start at $5 for the basic support tier, but if you want to see the banned from TV content, you definitely want to join the Zoom After Dark tier. Patreon members will also receive discounts on the Zoom Fest 2024 celebration next year, as well as future discounts on 90-minute consultations. So what are you waiting for? Join the Patreon, share these videos, bang the notification bell, and become part of the Zoom tribe. All right, you guys, this is one of my consultations that actually bought the condo in my building. I didn't know if you wanted me to say that. We neighbors?
Yes.
How we become neighbors?
You moved in.
Did the consultation, we went, we looked at properties. He liked the one in my building. Next thing you know, here we go. You can't make this up.
That's right.
You cannot make this up.
6 months later, I was back.
Hey, they always come back. They always come back.
Zoom Fest 2024.
Hey, that's it, the first one.